Hello, I am Albert Gaberstein, former professional trail rider, and in this video we will learn the basics how to start a trail bike. In here I am with my GasGas TXT GP model, and we're gonna understand all the first steps, really basic, the first things you need to know to start the bike, kick off with the pedal, and then just go and have fun. First thing, we need to check the petrol tab. When it's facing right, it's closed. When we put it facing down, it's open, and in here it's reserved. It's enough to start. Then we are sure that in case we run out of petrol, we are sure that we have still a little bit more petrol to come back and get to the car. First thing to know, important, if the bike is cold, the choke. We use the choke just when it's cold, and sometimes if you live in a warm place, you don't even need that, but it's a good thing to make the start a little bit easier. Now it's time to jump to the right side of the bike. We need to open the quick pedal, and with a quick kick in the pedal, we need to start the bike. Important, we need to be really fast. We need to find the resistance when we open the pedal, find it with the foot, and when we find the resistance, we need to be then really quick to make the bike, the engine, run out. Once we've done that, if you want probably to be more comfortable, if your place on the bike is not fantastic, try to have the left foot a little bit higher, then you will be in a better placement to make this movement. The bike now is running. Next step, the kill switch. Safety is first, remember. Once we have the kill switch placed on the left wrist, it's time to put first gear, and I recommend you to take your time and try to make everything so sweet now, because trail bikes are not an amazing power horse bikes, but they are quite nervous and reaction. Then I think it's important that you take your time and release the clutch so sweet, so gentle, at the same time you're revving a little bit the bike. Important. Get used to this bike, because I advise you, these are quite demanding when you want to start. The reactions are really quick and nervous, so the first time take it calm, and I think will be good for you. And once you've been enjoying it and you take more confidence, I invite you, of course, to play with the clutch, with the throttle, to be more quicker, and to try whatever you want, what you have in mind. And that's all for the moment. I think you're ready to go. I hope you enjoy your bike and get on the gas.